All right, so for this Jamboard, what you're doing is you're going to be working on expressing your opinion. So you're going to be deciding whether you agree or you disagree with a matter. And I'm going to give you a few of these over the next couple activities. So the process is going to be the same for each of them. But essentially, what you're going to do is say whether you agree or whether you disagree. So if we say school uniforms, so it's describe whether you agree or disagree with mandated school uniforms. So that means that they're forcing you to use uniforms. So what you're going to do is pick a side and you're going to tell me why you agree. I agree with requiring school uniforms because it is cheaper for parents as they have to buy less clothing. So, one thing that I used to hear often when I was teaching in Australia and in England, where school uniforms were required, one of the things that parents really liked, oops, wrong by, was the fact that that you had to buy less clothing because you just had to wear what was required. So there wasn't as much of an issue around having the fanciest jeans or having the nicest shirts or having the nicest shoes. There wasn't any of that stuff. It was all, you had a certain uniform that you had to wear, and that's what you wore to school, and that's what everybody wore to school. So for parents, some parents find that to be a good thing because they just basically buy the uniform and they don't have to worry about buying anything else. So that might be one reason why somebody would agree. So once you've put your reason, you could put it there. You can make it a little bigger if you want to. As other people start posting, we'll make them a little smaller just to add room. So it's up to you. You can grab one of these little tabs, double click on it, and change it to your name and tell me why you agree or you disagree. Remember, it's just an opinion, and you're required to pick one side of it, not to sort of waver between two different opinions. I just want to hear one side of whether you agree and some supporting details as to why you agree, or that you disagree and some supporting details as to why you disagree. Okay, thank you.